Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if this is your first time here. Today I have an unboxing from 143 Vinyl. I've been waiting outside for this box all day because I have packages that I need to deliver to Patreon members, but I can't mail them because our post office is still closed. So I said, well, when the mail person delivers my giant box of vinyl, I'll just hand these off and be like, hey, can you take these? But she passed and she didn't stop, and I was like, what the hell? And then I checked the tracking and it said it was delivered, and this was inside my mailbox. This is a 4x4x14 box, and I know it has like $100 worth of vinyl in it, so I am very interested to find out what's inside of here. For reference, this is, I just realized this was 72 inches. I thought it was, because the Cricut rules, which are more expensive than $8.99, they're 4 feet. This is 6 feet for $8.99. I got it half off, so it was like $4.50. These are, I believe, 4 feet, and they're like $2.50. And they have 100 different colors, you know, it just, we'll see. I don't know. I need to make sure they were they might have been like $2.60, something like that. But anyway, I ordered this on the 24th of August. It shipped on the 27th, and then stayed in Kentucky until today. Well, no, it's, oh! Holy crap. Y'all? Oh, is this a dum-dum? Oh. It said that it was like in transit to the next facility since the 27th, but then yesterday it was like, hey, it's coming tomorrow. So I'm not going to blame that on them because there was a storm. I assume it got stuck wherever. It might have even like it might have been like, hey, let's just keep it. We can't send it to New Orleans right now. So first of all, candy, thank you. Take this mint right now. This half melted mint. That's nice. Should I do that? Should I be sending mints out? Alright, you know what I was thinking why this box was going to be so big is because I figured they would all come in rolls like this. And it'd be like 20 of these. But I think it's just, yeah, it's just one giant roll. Let me see what the price is. Yeah, they're $2.85. Oh, they're 12 inches by 5 feet. Did I say $12.85? $2.85. And there are... I have one sheet of green because I had to get over $50 to use the coupon code. One sheet of green. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 permanent matte, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 permanent glossy. It's all the Starcraft HD glossy or matte. I have a 30-foot roll of transfer tape, which is supposed to be really good. And then the single sheet of mint green because I just needed. I needed to spend like 40 cents, and I was like, I'm not ordering another roll, but I guess I could have done that. Oh, okay. I'm so dumb. I was like, this is gonna come in a jar. Is this a strawberry candy? Oh, this is crushed, but I'm gonna eat it anyway. Y'all, I just got off the phone with my mom, and I was like, I want some sugar so bad. Mystery flavor. This is a soft mint. Is this a root beer barrel? Oh my god, I'm about to order again just so I can get more candy. Is this a root beer or is it a cinnamon? Because I'm definitely allergic to cinnamon. I can't tell. Look at that. That's nice. I mean, the packaging leaves something to be desired, but, you know what? God, I wish they would have sent the piece of pizza with that. Okay, they sell Caesar, they sell Oracle, Oracle, whatever you want to say. Mine is all Starcraft just because that's the cheapest. Is this what it's called, right? Starcraft? Yes. That was the cheapest. That's the one everybody's like, get this. I used my coupon code for Mr. Crafty Pants. I think it's, what is it? Does it say what the code is? Because I would tell you guys on here. Crafty. C-R-A-F-T-Y. So, use the code, save yourself some money, and get him some money so he can maintain his beautiful teeth that I am in no way jealous of. The audacity of some people to come on YouTube having beautiful teeth. Are these going to be labeled? Like, I don't think they're going to be labeled. Maybe they will be. I'm just worried that I'm going to find a color and love it and then not know what it is. First of all, I like that. Let me see if I can find a piece over here before I even look at anything. This is the back of the Cricut vinyl. It has these, I think, what are they, every half inch? Yeah. They have every half inch. This has every inch. I would prefer that because usually I'm cutting at 10 inches for my signs, between 10 and 12. Oh, and this is the back of the, is this half two? Yeah. This is the back of the Paper Studio, so I just like this a little bit better. Okay, let's see. Wow. How do I do this, you guys? This is the transfer tape. It's extremely warm. If you're on Patreon, which you should be, because we do fun stuff like watch me struggle, I was using the Cricut transfer tape, the Dollar Tree transfer tape. They are extremely sticky. Like if you just put it down wrong, especially the Dollar Tree one, you're screwed. This does not feel as sticky, but it's got like a texture to it. So this makes me kind of optimistic. I mean, can you kind of see how it's like it's not clear, as opposed to. Yeah, this one's got junk all over it, but this is the, I think this is a Dollar Tree one. Yeah, like this has been used several times and it's very sticky still, and this is brand new and it's, I think it's medium tack. Oh, I look forward to that. This seems like it's going to be nice. That might be the sugar talking, I don't know. But that rule is a clear medium tack transfer tape, 12 inches by 30 feet for $9.75. And that's $1 for like 24 feet, I think, the Dollar Tree one, and the Cricut one is, I think the Cricut one's like $17.95 for half an inch. Because they're like, hey, let's screw all these people. Not anymore. How do I do this? Like I want to show you guys the colors, but at the same time. Okay, so let's just start here. This is matte. These is a red. I was like, these is a red. This looks like a shimmery kind of. Is this just 2 rolls? That's a lot of vinyl. Yep, this is just 2. So one of these is probably. How many times can I pick up this invoice? Oh yeah, these are separate. So this one must be burgundy in the matte, and this one might be metallic red. This is not what I was thinking when they said metallic, because it is not metallic. I mean, it's got a little bit of a shimmer to it, but I guess it's as metallic as the metallic gold. I was thinking like foily, but yeah, they must have been out of these, and then maybe that's why it took longer to ship. I don't know, because these are highlighted. Okay, so I think the rest of them I should just be able to flip through here. This is, I'm assuming, the white. Yep, $2.85. This is metallic silver, maybe? Yeah. This is metallic blue. Cute. This is a monstrosity. This is lime green. That is not. I guess I was waiting. This is the color I was waiting for because I needed a green to match a ribbon and a wreath that has been sitting over there for like ever. So I'm guessing this is lime green. This is metallic rose gold, I think. Yeah. This is brown, which I can compare to. This is a Paper Studio brown. I like this one better. But is this? I don't know if this is matte, huh? I don't think this is glossy. It might be. I mean, it's brown vinyl. I mean, I can tell the difference by looking at the monitor. This one's a little richer. did I get the, no, I was like, did I get the gloss? I'm excited to see how glossy the glossy is, which I don't mind. I don't care because I seal all my signs anyway, so they all end up satin in the end, so it doesn't matter if it's glossy or matte to me. But I like the color of the Paper Studio better. Isn't it exciting? This is black. Yeah. And this is... what is this? Metallic red. Okay, I don't know what color this is. This is matte, but it's not black. Is it burgundy or is this burgundy? I would say this was burgundy and this is... I don't know. Oh, dark red. This one must be dark red. Or this one's dark red, this one's burgundy. There's one over here that I didn't see. Okay, and then dark green. Oh, they are in order. Okay. Maybe? No, they're not. These are dark green, metallic gold. This is the Paper Studio metallic gold, just for comparison. I thought both of these were ugly. Like, I ordered it because I was just like, I want the gold. I want the gold. It'd be nice if these came in tubes, but I'm sure they just cut them off a giant sheet. Okay, so this is the Paper Studio, but this is matte gold, I think, right? I'm not taking that thing back out of there. So, I like this one better. I like that this is, they're both green to me, but unless you buy like foil vinyl, you're not gonna get gold. Okay, cream, which I wanted cream because I feel like when I do white on something, sometimes it's a little too stark. If I had a sign here, I would show you, and I know I do have a sign here, but sometimes you grab things and everything falls apart. So this is a cream. How is there glitter inside of this already? This is hot pink. I have no idea why I got this, but maybe for Valentine's Day, was I thinking that far ahead? This is metallic white. And this is back to the regular white. So, yeah, this is metallic, white, glossy. This is just white. Where is my mint green, though? I mean, these are big pieces. Alright, I feel like I'm missing my mint green, but I just might not have found it yet. I'm not gonna... That's a lot of vinyl for $2.85, huh? I mean, with 5 feet of vinyl, I should be able to get done one sign with the amount of mess up. So that's cool. Did I have the, did I miss the green? I don't think so. I mean, unless it's rolled up inside of here somewhere. Alright, so that's kind of a bummer that glossy, I mean, this is a 12 by 12 sheet, so wait a minute. There we go. Oh, that's pretty. It's kind of a Tiffany blue, though, huh? I wouldn't really call that a mint green. Which I don't know how I am with colors. I'm extremely specific, and at the same time, don't know the difference between red and dark red and burgundy and metallic red. So, I haven't used these yet. I'm excited about it because if you've seen the Patreon videos, you know the struggle. Oh, it's going to be fun to get these all separated and organized, and so that was that. I said it was 100. This was $50 worth of vinyl, which at Walmart would have gotten me maybe 5 rolls. So yeah. And it feels nice. It feels comparable to the Cricut vinyl. I think the Cricut matte, it has a little bit more texture to it. Whose hair is this? Because it's not mine. Because my hair is synthetic and it comes from China. Okay, so I'm going to clear this up. I need to clear my memory card, but I don't want to because I really need to work tonight. I just want to do stuff. Oh. Alright guys, so so far impressed. Love the candy. I'm going to tell you I'm more excited about the candy than I am about the vinyl, but yeah, they have some nice colors in here. And it'll just be nice to have a bunch on hand now, and I don't have to worry about trying to track down a roll of vinyl every time I want to make a sign. And hopefully this is easier to weed, and hopefully this transfer tape is easier to use. Wow, that's a lot of stuff. Alright guys, thanks for watching. I will, yeah, you'll be seeing this either probably on Patreon first, honestly, and then I'll do like a follow-up review on it. Alright guys, I'll see you later. Bye. The Cricut vinyl sucks. Also, Cricut transfer tape sucks. Everything Cricut makes sucks except with the machine, apparently. So, yeah, we're gonna see. I know I'm being highly optimistic that I'm just gonna pull this great big piece off and it's gonna leave everything behind, but this video isn't monetized, right? No. Holy